Hello guys, welcome to another awesome video. Today I want to share some of the some screenshots of testimonials or proof that our advanced class is working. Okay, our advanced class is working. Most of you guys, some of you guys went through the basic class. Most of you guys think you can go online and you will learn binary trading, you will learn forex trading. Well, I hate to bust your bubble, but if you want to be an expert trader, if you want to make this part of your business, if you want to generate cash flow, real cash flow from this, then you will have to sign up for the advanced class. Okay? Now, basic class gives you the foundation. Okay, it prepares you for advanced class. Now, I'm not saying you cannot trade with the basic class, but the basic class you still need signals. But with the advanced class, you yourself can generate signals, and you will have a mentor guiding you one on one, as you can see in this screenshot. Okay, you can see that the client is happy, okay, because of the strategy we shared with the client. That's what we do. Okay, we teach you, we empower you, and we also share our strategies. Now, on top of that, you'll have our lifetime mentorship program, which means that you can ask us questions anytime, okay, and we'll be able to guide you and ensure that you become successful. Okay, we're not all about trading and teaching you and moving on to the next people. No, we don't do that. We offer free lifetime mentorship. Okay, free lifetime mentorship. Okay, we offer free lifetime mentorship. Okay, so if you are really interested in making money with forex trading, if you are really interested in making money through binary trading, then go for our advanced class. Okay, you can sign up for the basic class to understand, to know whether we know our audience, to check us out and know if we are good or we're just making noise. Okay, you can check out our binary program. Our binary program right now is going for $20. Okay, $20 or 9,000 naira. That's what it's going for right now. So you can sign up for that program and, okay, learn from the basic class. Now the basic class will give you an idea of what your advanced class will be or what our training program will be, because we try our very best to give you the best. Okay, to give you the best. We are going to run one more training for basic class this year, so make sure you sign up and sign up, because we just have one more week. Okay, one more week for the training to commence. Okay, so sign up right now for the basic class. For the advanced class, you can sign up. You can make instrumental payments. Okay, you can make installment payments. Okay, whether it's starting with 100,000 or 50,000. Okay, the most important thing is getting started. Also, we offer two packages in the advanced class: the 150,000 package, the 250,000 package. The 150 difference is the number of strategies we teach you. Okay, in the advanced, in the 150,000 naira package, we give you about one or two strategies. Okay, we'll teach you everything, but our strategies we'll share with you, okay, will be about one or two. Okay, but when it comes to advanced class pro, which is 250,000 naira, we share all our strategies with you, and that's what we're sharing with Praise God right here in this chat. That was why he was surprised that we're sharing this much of our strategies with him. Okay, so guys, I don't know what's holding you. If you're interested in binary and forex trading, if you're interested in making money in binary and forex trading, okay, contact me and let's get you enrolled to our program. Okay, all right guys, that's it for this video. I want to thank you guys for watching. Till I see you guys next time, take care and bye for now.